Hi, beautiful people. So, I just got home. Well, ito yung mga nabili ko yesterday. So, medyo haggard na ako kasi I'm so tired, bro. I ran half a marathon kanina. Actually, guys, I am the CEO of not training. And, grabe feeling ko nagiging standard na lang namin yung 21 kilometers. Pero pagod na ako. Parang casual run na lang namin lagi yung 21K kami ng nila Mark. Okay lang ba? Kahit magulo yung buhok ko. Okay. So, I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what I got yesterday. Diba, malis kami kahapon ni Archel. And yung book. So, while I'm at it, Kali. Nandito si Kali. Nandito si Kali Wise. Is it just me? Or pag tinatawag niyo ba yung mga pets niyo, parang nagkakaroon kayo ng accent? Sa akin kasi, pag tinatawag ko si Wise, parang nagkakaroon ako ng British accent. Kali. Kali Wise, ah. Kali. Kali. Yeah, this is Kali. Kali's here. Kali. Kali. My love, my best boy. Oh, guys, binigyan ako ng friend ko nung sticker ng Zeus. Kasi you have to download the app bago mo siya makuha, and I can't download the app. Kasi yung app store ko is naka-Japan pa rin, and hindi ko kasi siya mabago kasi nga may laman pa na money sa loob. So, ayun. Tapos ito, actually, dalawa tong sticker na to. Yung isa, Kale! Yung isa nakadikit na sa laptop ko. And ito, nabusog ako. Kumain kami sa Chicken House Express. It's good. I like Chicken House Express. And then, we went for dessert as well. So, ito na. This is hand-drawn by creatives from Malikhaing Pinoy ata. Yeah, from DTI. Ito kasi di ba nag-opening nga kami. So, when you register, they'll give you free stickers. So, ayan. And I love stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. So, ayun. I actually have some more work to do and to finish. Pero, syempre, uunahin kong magdala dito sa inyo. And I don't even know who's watching, but hello! So first is, I'll show you guys the book first. So this is the book, Funny Story by Emily Henry. Sabi nila, baka sa online na pala yung last stock na. Kasi meron pa to dun eh. Meron pa sa fully book. Pero ito, kinoveran na nung nakausap ko. Thank you po. Ilagyan niya ng plastic cover. Kasi inask niya ako if I want it na ilagyan nga ng plastic cover. And of course, I said yes. So, this is it. I'm so excited to read this. Feeling ko mabilis ko lang ito mababasa kasi I feel like, it's an interesting one. So, pag ganun, mabilis ko lang siya mababasa. Next is, so ito, dalawa yung binili ko sa Victor. You guys, I love Beauty Bar. Like, every time na nandun kami. Do you guys know the brand Makeup Academy? I love them. And their products. I love everything. So, ito, yung isa kong blush na ginagamit lately, I mean like yung for everyday blush ko. Before, I used the Rare Beauty, pero yun, ginagamit ko na lang yung blush na yun pag may like special occasions and stuff, ganun. Let's see here. This is what I use. Pero, for my everyday, I use nga the Makeup Academy. Tapos ito, I got their lip balm. It's Wise. It's like tinted. It's a tinted lip balm. Parang lip oil nga siya eh. So, ayun. Dalawa yung binili ko. Yung isang shade is na kay Archel na. And this one is mine. Because I can't do like dark shades. Hindi siya bagay sa akin talaga. I mean like bagay pero I don't like means siya pang everyday. Parang ang strong niya kasi tingnan. So ayun. Next is bumili pala akong mouse sa Data Blitz. I have not set foot in Data Blitz for like years. Dati nung college, madalas ako doon sa Data Blitz because my ex used to he likes playing games and he's building his computer and stuff like that. So, madalas kami nag-Data Blitz. So, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakatungtong ulit doon. Ngayon na lang kasi bibili nga ako ng mouse. I just got the Pebble mouse for my laptop kasi minsan nahihirapan na akong mag-work. So, I'm gonna put this in the office na. And yes, yun lang. It's Bluetooth. And I got the black one kasi my laptop is in dark color. Guys, I'm so sleepy. 1 pa lang gising na. I mean like not 1 kasi late nga ako. Parang siguro mga 2-ish pa lang gising na ako. Next is, I think this one is just a top. This is a top from Zara. It's a true top. You guys know me. It's not a true top pala. Pero, it's a sleeveless one. But I'm just gonna use it like inner for work. But so I can also use it for when going out. No? Guys, you can see how sleepy and tired I am. Also, my guy is not my guy he's not. Also, next is this one is from Mango. I'm a Mango girl. Mango and Zara, you have my heart. This is just a dress. It's just a dress, the denim dress, and I feel like I could wear this in the office if I just like have a long sleeve inner sa loob. And I feel like it will look good. So I have the vision. Do you guys see it? Guys, I'm so antok. So I spent another day with I gotta shut up. Yun lang. I think I have siguro mag-talk na lang ako ng thoughts. I'm gonna have to write something before I do another yap session. I feel like the yap sessions are gonna be like a podcast of where I talk about stuff na nga lang, ganon. So, yeah, wait for the next yap sesh. It's gonna be something, I don't know, something else. Something na pinag-isipan talaga. Because lately, whenever I do photo with yap sessions, it's mostly just me giving you guys a haul of what I got and talking about what comes to my mind. I feel like I should, take note of what I want to talk about para nagfo-focus tayo doon sa topic ngayon and hindi ako hindi kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Yun lang, I am tired. I am going to shower and I think I'll sleep na. And it's only 5. I'm tired. Good night.